Now let's learn our division facts for the 12 times table. 0 divided by 12 is 0. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 24 divided by 12 is 2, because if we have 24 counters, we can make two groups of 12. 36 divided by 12 is 3, because if we have 36 counters, we can make three groups of 12. 48 divided by 12 is 4. 60 divided by 12 is 5. 72 divided by 12 is 6. 84 divided by 12 is 7. 96 divided by 12 is 8. 108 divided by 12 is 9. 120 divided by 12 is 10. 132 divided by 12 is 11. And 144 divided by 12 is 12.